So, not only do I give piano lessons, I also take piano lessons. I think this instrument is just really incredible, and I realized that I was kind of plateauing a little bit and not really improving as fast or as regularly as I wanted to. So I'm fortunate that I found someone who was kind of exactly what I was looking for. Someone to hold me accountable, someone who knows her stuff, and just 3 short lessons, I'm really learning a lot, and I'm more excited than I've been about piano progress than I've been in a very long time. I'm sitting here looking over here. I got this song that I'm currently working on. It's called Calm Before the Storm. If you know about video games and Final Fantasy, it's a beautifully composed piece. And what I wanted to do is actually start sharing some of the things that I'm learning in my piano lessons with you guys. So pretty much anytime there's something that I learn in there that I didn't know before, that I think some of you who are, either learning from me, from my piano lessons that I give, or the Patreon that I do, things that I think will just be beneficial to learn. So one thing that I want to talk a little bit about today is the pedal. So of course the sustain pedal on a piano allows you to be able to hold the pedal down, press a note, and have that note be sustained or continue to make that sound until you lift the pedal up. I'm actually doing it off camera, lifting my foot up. Although it's really like a hinge at the heel, right? You're not like lifting your whole foot. But when you're learning a new song, for me, I'm used to playing with the pedal down just consistently the whole time as I'm learning the piece, just because it sounds disjoint without using any pedal when you're first learning. But it turns out that in my instructor's opinion, and I'm certainly seeing the benefits of this in just a few short weeks of applying it, not using the pedal until you're approximately 70% proficient with the song will help you be able to hear the notes where they're supposed to be played with other notes and not be confused because everything is jumbled up because it's just all kind of sounding like a blur, right? So that's today's tip, right? So it's practice a song piece by piece without using the pedal, and don't worry about the fact that it's not going to sound that nice or yeah, that nice. It's going to be slow for sure because you're learning it, but also it's not going to sound full because you're just practicing the notes, and you want to make sure you're getting those notes timed precisely with the other notes that you're supposed to be getting them together with, for lack of a better word. Okay, I think I'm beating a dead horse, but that's today's tip. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one of these fun, casual videos, right? Yeah, so that's today's tip. So let me know what you guys think of it below. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Take care.